When you take out a home loan, you will hear a lot of legal terms. Let us clarify exactly who the mortgagee is. The term mortgagee refers to the entity that lends the money to the borrower. Think of it as the bank or financial institution that provides the funds for your home purchase. The mortgagee has specific rights and responsibilities, including managing your escrow account and ensuring the property is properly insured. It is easy to mix these up. Just remember that the person borrowing the money is the mortgagor and the bank is the mortgagee. As you pay down the mortgage, your debt shrinks. Once the balance hits zero, the mortgagee releases their lien on your property. Always review your mortgage documents carefully to verify the mortgagee listed is the correct entity handling your loan. Understanding these roles helps you navigate your home loan with confidence. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more finance basics.